How many times you ask yourself, I wish I had this lip color but little bit more pinker? Pinker is a magenta pink modifier. The Pinker pigment was created mixing purposes to intensify cool shades in the lip pigments, to implement more pink shades into lip colors with the maximum control, allows the differentiate with one modifier. Pinker allows artists to achieve the flexibility of wide range of pure pink shades for great results during lip micropigmentation. Right now we're gonna mix Pinker with all our Evenflo lip set colors, because Evenflo lip set, you know that is more warmer undertone, and sometimes our client very specific with the colors and they can ask you to create more pinker cool shade. And adding Pinker, we have a conscious control how much cool tone we want to add to current lip blend. So you don't have to have a lot of pigments in your studio, you just can have modifiers and correctors to create always new shade. Okay, so let's start from Bare. Is the lightest pigment in the set, is peachy warm nude color. We're gonna pour Bare to the ink cup, 7 drops, and 2 drops of Pinker. It's a high concentration modifier, so you don't have to use a lot. So you will see how beautiful, totally new color you can create just having modifier. It's a beautiful, warmer, peachy nude, high opacity color. So right now we're gonna pour with adding Pinker. Look how nice this color, totally new. Okay, let's move to Malina. It's a warm pink color with a yellow base. Now we're gonna mix with Pinker and you will see a totally new color. Very beautiful. I have also like mauve tone. I would not use this modifier on cool lips, which has purple, bluish undertone. Also lips with darkness, like dark brown lips, I would not use this color. It's more neutral as you see. So if you wanna a more cooler shade, then just add additional drop of Pinker. And let's move right now to Lulu Siciliano. It's a bright coral color with the neutral undertone. We add a little bit of the Pinker, so 2 drops, and we're gonna see how it's gonna affect the color. Totally new shade. Beautiful. Look how nice this color, right? So it's creating more cool shade, but not too cool. Gorgeous. So let's move to darker value pigment. Is clay. It has warm undertone, like brick red color, caramel color. So right now we're gonna achieve more cool shade. 7 drops of clay and 2 drops of Pinker. So if your client asking more caramel but slightly pink color, this is the mix. Pinker is kind of darker color because it doesn't have a lot of titanium dioxide. Because why you need titanium dioxide if you want to create the cooler color, right? So for these warm colors like clay, you will need to add additional Pinker just if you want to create more cooler undertone. How nice this color. Okay, let's move to Malbec. 7 drops of Malbec and 2 drops of Pinker. Beautiful dark red, but with a cooler undertone. And we can add additional Pinker because with a darker value pigment, you will see better results if you're gonna add additional drop of Pinker. Look how beautiful. Having only Pinker in your collection, you can create all these beautiful lip shades from nude, a warm nude to dusty pink color, then warm pink, then we have neutral pink, and then we have bright pink, and then baby cool pink, and then warm brick colors, and more mauve tones. And then we have a rich red burgundy color with the cooler shade. To have all these beautiful colors, having only 5 pigments from lip set and 1 modifier, you can create all these gorgeous colors. You want to learn how to create those beautiful shades using only 1 modifier Pinker, click the link in the bio.